actually reserved the number for the last thing because I wanted people to hear the review about this guy. So it will be like it was something that sold them to us. Please, this is not an influencing thing. Oh, I did not collect money. Oh. Yes, let me make this disclaimer right here, right on time. Ensure this particular clip will be at the first seconds of this video. I didn't collect money. I'm not influencing for them. I just feel like this is actually something that will benefit you, benefit your business. You guys know how much I go all the way out for you guys to get something, to get information that will be helpful to you and to your business. So that is why I'm sharing this. I wasn't paid. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, tips of tutorials and lifestyle. I film from City of Lagos in Nigeria. If any of this content I create interests you, kindly consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys know how much I love you. I say this all the time that you all have a special place inside of me and I mean it. Thank you so much. I know I've been absent on YouTube for a while. I'm so sorry about that. I owe you guys an explanation. I know that, and I think my next video will be about that. I'll just film a video and explain everything going on with me. Guys, I am so sorry. I just feel I need to be here, like I need to be up on my channel, like a video needs to go up this week, and this is why I'm doing this. This video is actually the most requested video from me. Like for those who are opportune to be on my WhatsApp, like to view my WhatsApp status, they know what I'm talking about. So today I'll be sharing the content of a new China warehouse in Nigeria. Like I know that like over 50% of my viewers and subscribers here on this channel, they're actually here for the business content, and you guys know that I always try to do my findings about anything business trending and bring it to you guys free of charge. In short, guys, let me give you an expo. This particular video, I was going to charge for it before to review the information. A few persons already paid into my account. I had to send a message out there that they should please send me the account number for a refund. I'll just go ahead and put up a video and just talk about it so that everybody can also benefit from it. Yeah, you guys know that I do not hold the information, so that is why we are having this conversation today. So guys, good news, no more shipping fee, no more outrageous shipping fee. Yeah, let me say that. So we have a new China warehouse here in Lagos, Nigeria. Good news, guys. Even know what we've been going through recently from shipping fee, both air and sea shipping, guys, it hasn't been funny. And the good news now is we have this China warehouse in our own neighborhood now, which is Lagos in Nigeria. So today I'll be sharing detailed information about them, their contact address, their mobile number, how to work, and everything. We'll even be sharing reviews about their services to you guys. You guys know that I bring you all the real gist and teas, everything. I bring them complete to you. So I've done my findings, and this is why I'm filming this video today. So if this might interest you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So guys, the name of this China warehouse here in Nigeria is A&D Industry Limited, owned by Chinese. Yeah, her name is Jo. It's or maybe one of the co-owners or something. So her name is Jo. They decided to bring a warehouse here to us in Nigeria so things can be more easy, especially for those who do not have the bulk, like so much capital to go into importation. So this is actually a good option. So guys, I'll be revealing everything about them today. Their name is A&D Industry Limited. They are based here in Lagos, Nigeria. Their full address is at Abule Osun Waterside Road, Abule Osun, opposite Anchor Hotel in Satellites. That's around Festac here in Lagos. So I'll attach their Facebook and Instagram handle right on the screen. You guys are going to see. But please guys, before you even chat them up, before you do business with them, please, this video won't be a long one. I promise you that. Please make sure you watch this video till the end. Make sure you watch the reviews I'll be sharing, because I'll be sharing the review at the later part of this video. So please guys, make sure you watch everything from the beginning to the end. Do not skip out any information, please. They have a Facebook and Instagram page. I'll just go ahead and attach the name of the Facebook and Instagram and do right on the screen. This is how they work. So once I give you, I'm going to call out the number as well after saying this. So you just go ahead and chat them up on WhatsApp and tell them that this is your name. You're chatting them from Nigeria, from Lagos, Nigeria, and you're interested in doing business with them. You are you're a business owner here in Lagos or here in Nigeria, you would love to do business with them. So they're going to send you a catalog. It's in form of a document. So that catalog has all the products they have available, with the sizes. If it's bags, you know, bags actually comes in different sizes, so they will send you the catalog as the picture of the product available, the sizes, description, full weight and prices, and they have different prices. And even in that catalog, they will give you a retail price, and you must not sell less than that retail price. If not, wahala can happen, no guys. Once they send you that catalog, you go through it and make your decisions, like choose what you want to buy from them. But then they have two major different packages. They do not sell retail, please. They do not sell like in 1 and 2. They do not sell. They have 2 different packages, which is the wholesale package and the distributor package. For the wholesaler package, you have to buy goods worth 1.5 million naira from them. That is for the wholesale package, and the price they will give you as an wholesaler is different from the price they will give you as a distributor. For distributor, you have to buy goods up to 150,000 naira, the minimum of 150,000 for the distributor package. But for the wholesaler package, it is 1.5 million, like a minimum of 1.5 million naira. That is for the wholesaler package. Please don't mix them together. Wholesaler is 1.5 million minimum, then distributor packages minimum of 150,000 naira. As a wholesaler, if you refer anybody to them and the person buys from them, either the distributor package or the wholesaler package, you're entitled to 15% of the total amount of what that person buys from them. So that sounds good, right? Another thing is they will give you a retail price, and you must not sell beneath or below that retail price. If you sell below that retail price and they are aware, they might stop doing business with you. You have to sell either at the retail price given to you or something higher than that, but you must not sell less than that retail price given to you, either as a wholesaler or even as a distributor. So now this is the most important part, because this is like a disclaimer. I really do not want anybody going about and saying, oh, it is Fumike that recommended these people to us. I want to tell you everything about them. So if you choose to do business with them, you know that it's based on your decision, and I didn't influence it. Please, I wasn't paid for anything. Yeah, I chatted with them on like 2 occasions. I've actually not done business with them personally, but my direct boss, the person who taught me importation, like she's the boss to me, she was actually the one that had something to do with them, and she shared her experience with me. So please, this video should actually, I'm just bringing you the information. I've seen people paying as much as 2,000 naira each to get this information. You guys know that I will always bring you any information I know will benefit you and your business and will make you grow. I'll always bring it to you guys. So that is why I'm doing this video. The reviews I got about this particular company is that, number one, once you order, like once they send you a catalog and you order from them, because actually the demand is crazy. Like everybody is trying to order from them, especially at the moment. So the demand is crazy, and you know that China is actually on their New Year holiday, so there's really nothing coming to Nigeria at the moment. Yeah, the ones coming to Nigeria are actually the one that has been sent earlier. They're on their New Year holiday already, so they're actually having stock, limited stock, yes, and with the rush of others coming in, so I think they really cannot meet up at the moment. Yeah, so she said when they sent her a catalog, she picked some items, and note that your payment validates order, you have to pay beforehand before you go get your goods, or they send it to you. So after she picked some goods from their catalog and she made payment to them, on getting to the warehouse, she was told that those bags were sold out, totally sold out, and they do not do refunds. Can you see that there is wala be like bicycle? After she already paid, after she already booked her order online from the catalog given to her, when she got there to pick her goods, she was told that the goods were sold out and they were not going to do a refund. So their prices are actually very good compared to buying from China. The stress of buying from China, how much you pay. My last good recently landed and it is about 12 CBM, and the bill I got for that was well over 1 million naira. I don't even know how I'm going to get money, but I know God will provide. So so when you compare these things together, you know that, oh, this is actually one of the better option. But I think why that happened is because of this China holiday. No goods is coming in, and the competition, like people are actually sending in so much order and they're trying to meet up, and I feel like they can actually do better. Once they know that something is sold out, do not accept payment, and even after you accept payment, it's just courtesy to refund them, since this is the mistake is actually from you and not from the customer. Once they pay you for an order you confirm that was available, and when you got there and they saw that the goods was sold out or the particular bag was sold out, the best thing to do is to refund them their money. I'm not saying you have a no refund policy. It isn't right. So that's the only thing I have about them. And the second review is that they really don't have new designs. It's like the designs they have at their warehouse are actually old designs. I still feel like it's because of the China holiday that is causing all this. Once they resume back in March, they're able to pump in goods to Nigeria, and people have varieties of goods to select from. So those are actually the reviews I got from my direct boss, like the person who taught me importation. Yeah, if you've actually done business with them at any point or the other and you have any view opposing to what I just said, please share in the comment section. Please share in the comments. Even if it's a positive or negative review or feedback, please share with us in the comment section. So I'll be calling out their numbers. I actually reserved the number for the last thing because I wanted people to hear the review about this guy, so it won't be like it was something that sold them to us. Please, this is not an influencing thing. No, I did not collect money. Oh. Yes, let me make this disclaimer right here, right on time. Ensure this particular clip will be at the first seconds of this video. I didn't collect money. I'm not influencing for them. I just feel like this is actually something that will benefit you, benefit your business. You guys know how much I go all the way out for you guys to get something, to get information that will be helpful to you and to your business. So that is why I'm sharing this. I wasn't paid. I'm not influencing for those guys, and that is why I'm sharing this review about their services to you guys. So please go through it. If you feel like you're led, or if you feel you are led to do business with them, please by all means go out. Yes, I am actually looking forward to doing business with them, but that will be after China resumes from their new year holiday, when I know that they will have new stock coming in and not like they'll have varieties of things, because at the moment things are on hold in China. They are on their new year holiday and they do not they do not joke with that holiday, guys. They do not joke with that holiday. Yes, so in the March I know China will be resuming fully, so by then I'm looking forward to doing business with these guys. So let me call out their numbers for you guys. So the number is it's actually a China number, yeah, +86 158 2428 7417. I'll attach the number to the screen. Let me call it out again. +86 158 2428 7417. So that is the number. I'll also attach their IG and Facebook handle to the screen. Like I said earlier, if there's anyone that has done business with them at any point or the other, please let us know in the comment section. Share with us in the comment section. And please, even if you're not into business but you have people around you who you know will benefit from this video, please share this video out to them. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know how much I love you. Please, I would actually love to have an idea of what you guys are expecting, like the content you guys are expecting from me this year. Please share in the comment section. What next would you love to watch on my channel? Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. If you're yet to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe. You guys know how much I love you. 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 I have various videos on this channel where I shared side hustle ideas, everything you need to know about dropshipping, and even contact of importers you can dropship for. I'll link the video right up here, while some will also be in the description box below. Please check them out. Thank you guys so much. Catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. I love you guys. I love you.